Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. In this series, we will learn how to play harmonium. A harmonium is defined as a small kind of reed organ. For centuries, the harmonium has provided a calming soft sound that has been used for a variety of reasons. This includes everything from religious settings and music for festivals or events to an individual musician playing for the challenge and personal enjoyment it brings to them. This is made possible thanks to the many different parts of the harmonium. The sound a harmonium brings is unlikely anything else in existence. When you hear it, you feel you are being transported to another place and time. When looking at a harmonium, you quickly realize there are many components that go into making this incredible sound. Unlike other instruments such as a piano, horn, or reed instrument, the harmonium is fairly complicated and requires precise use of many parts. In this video, we will look at the harmonium in a detailed way to get a better understanding that how it brings up this amazing sound. To do that, we will look back at its history, how the construction was in the beginning to how it has evolved to where it is today, and its parts and types. This video is divided into 3 parts, and in today's video, we will discuss about its history and its construction. Get excited. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Let's get started. At first, as usual, we will learn the history of it. Over the years, the harmonium has changed in appearance and the way it is built. This has also changed the way it is played. You may be surprised to learn that the harmonium did not originate in India. It was first invented in Europe by Christian Gottlieb Kratzenstein, who was a professor of physiology at Copenhagen. At the time, this was the first reed-free instrument in the Western world and won him a prize from the Imperial Academy of St. Petersburg in 1780. Churches in Europe were quick to catch on its use because of the size. The harmonium is much smaller than the organ and easier to move from one location to another because of its weights and how it is constructed. Because of its size and parts used back then, it was less expensive to build than a pipe organ. This led to a large market of buyers from the chapels and churches. Later in 1842 and 1875, 2 new versions of harmonium were invented which could be played using the feet or the hand. In 1842, Alexander Deben from Paris invented the foot-pumped harmonium. In this version, the player presses 2 pedals with his or her feet one at a time. This is joined to a mechanism which operates the bellows, sending air to the reeds. In this way, both of the players' hands are free to play the harmonium. Later in 1875, the hand-pumped harmonium was invented by Dwarkanath Ghosh from India, so that the instrument could be played while the player was sitting down on the floor. In this version, the player pushes and pulls a handle back and forth with one hand which is joined to the bellows that blows the air. Because of this, he or she can only use one hand to play the keys as the other has to keep pumping the bellows. Some players can pump enough air with one hand and then play the keys with both the hands if necessary. It is used in India, Nepal, Afghanistan, Bangladesh and in other South Asian countries as an accompanying instrument in Hindustani classical music, Sufi music, bhajan and other devotional music, qawwali, natya sangeet and variety of genres including accompaniment to classical Kathak dance. We hope the history was exciting. Now let's talk about the construction. The quality of the wood used in the construction affects the resulting sound. Some of the priciest harmoniums are constructed with hard woods such as teak or mahogany, which give them a very resonant sound. However, it makes them very heavy to carry around. Harmoniums made from lighter woods such as pine or fir are easier to carry. So, this should be a consideration when you are choosing an instrument. If you think you will be carrying your harmonium around a lot or if you plan to travel with it, you probably want a lighter model. The harmonium can be made from 1 up to 6 sets of reeds. It is called a reed-free instrument because there are no pipes like you find in a pipe organ. Although it is a keyboard instrument, it is constructed in a way where metal reeds are screwed in place over slots in a metal frame. Foot-operated bellows causes a vibration through the metal frames creating the sound you hear. Well, that much was for the history and its construction. We hope that you have liked the video and don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Tune in with us in the next video with a detailed explanation of its design parts. To be notified when we upload the next video, go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram also for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.